Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to move Start button in Windows 10 in a quick and simple way so you can customize your taskbar easily. Stay with me till the end and let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This is the long horizontal bar where the Start button, Open Apps, and System icons are located. Right-clicking it opens useful options related to taskbar customization. Step 2. Click on Taskbar Settings from the menu that appears. This option takes you directly to the settings page where you can control how the taskbar looks and behaves in Windows 10. Step 3. Scroll down and click on Taskbar. Here you can view different taskbar-related options. This section allows you to manage alignment, location, and visibility of the taskbar. Step 4. Click on the Taskbar Location dropdown. This dropdown lets you choose where the taskbar appears on your screen, such as bottom, top, left, or right, which also affects where the Start button appears. Step 5. Select left or any option you choose. Once selected, the taskbar and Start button will move instantly to the chosen side, helping you adjust your workspace the way you like. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips and fixes.